Yo, what is up, boys? Today is motovlog day, and we are back on everybody's favorite bike, the e-bike. Now, in today's video, I am very excited. I have done a video like this, but if you watched it, I actually got cut short due to some rain. Oh my goodness. Can you guys tell how fuzzy the mountain is now? Oh, that rain is coming, boys. And if you can tell by the sky, there ain't no rain happening today. Now, it is the middle of December, believe it or not. It is December 20th, and it is 63 degrees right now. Hello? That is perfect. I don't even really need this coat, but I am going to wear it. But I literally cannot hold my excitement anymore. Enough yapping. Let's get on the e-bike. So, I forgot to explain, but in this video today, we are riding max settings all the time. It will not leave max settings. If I run out of battery power, I have a ride to come and get me. So, enough yapping. Let's get on the bike. All right, boys. Full battery. Boop, boop. There is mode 5, and we are in rocket mode. So I don't know how far this will get me, so we are gonna find out if we run out or we make it back to my house. So let's go, boys. All right, boys. Holy, we are off. Oh gosh, oh my goodness. Do we hit a little quick pull right now? I think we are gonna max throttle it. 44 45. Oh my god. 48. Oh, we hit 48. Here we go. Hold on, we're kind of cooking. Hold on. Oh, we hit a big bump. 49. Let's see, can we hit 50 within the first couple minutes of the video? There it is. 51. Oh, now I do obviously still have to be careful because I have no mirrors still. So I cannot see what is behind me. So if I'm being chased or there's a cop behind me, I literally cannot tell. Now, you don't understand how unbelievably excited I am to mob this bike, boys. I am actually so insanely excited. I wanted to film this video a couple days ago and I was so sad when I couldn't, but it was about the same temperature, but it was windy. It was very, very windy. So now, you know, it's like, it's nice to just be able to go on this and it not be unbelievably windy. But we're gonna find some big open roads and we are gonna go nuts, boys. Okay, my watch just said loud environment. I don't know how that's possible on an e-bike, but it said it. Hello? Look, loud environment. Okay. Apple, are you all right? Oh my gosh, the bumps are terrifying. It's probably really genuinely not the smartest idea to be riding this bike in mode 5 when there is sand on the roads and I'm not used to the throttle control. The last bike that I rode, which was like a month ago, was the Grom. So it's a little tough. Oh Lord, is this ice or is this water? I cannot tell. It's water. Okay, we would have been chilling. Oh gosh, these speed bumps kind of come out of nowhere. I'm not paying attention on for the bump. You know, it should be. Dude, I gotta be so careful into turns. She just wants to straight pull you, dude. Oh, sand. Ooh, sand. Ooh. The Colorado Mills Mall. How fast do you think I would be kicked out if I rode this in there? Like if I just went straight up in there and just rode that thing. That was cool. That was like a modded scooter. That's rad. You don't see them. You don't see those often. The only scooters I ever saw was like the ones that I did, the ones that I would ride. Your speed slow down. So we're faster than that speed limit. All right, I think we should hit it again. Yep, we're gonna. 45, 46. Dude, I love being just so quiet and being just able to mob, dude. I will be honest though, the faster we're going, the colder that wind chill's getting, even though it's 60. Of course, as soon as I turned off the camera, you guys missed it, but a squirrel ran right out in front of me and just stopped right in front of me. Story of my life. I didn't hit him. The brakes, shout out the brakes, they were good enough. When they're hot, they get a little sketchy, but right now they're all right. Uh-oh, ice. Yucky. There's an abandoned building right here and I kind of want to go check it out. Yeah, this place is straight abandoned. I think I've been here in another few of my videos. Oh, there goes Flight for Life. Uh-oh. I hope they're okay. Oh, I think he might be going to the... Well, there's literally a hospital. Is it over there? It is over there. Is he landing or taking off? Let's see. Oh, it looks like he's landing. Uh-oh. I wonder if I can get a better view if I go up higher. Oh gosh, be careful. Oh my Lord, dude. Oh my gosh, I actually bounced out of my seat. I actually don't know where the landing pad is for that hospital. He's coming down. He landed successfully. Good job. I hope that person's okay. For being an abandoned building, it has a really cool, like, view, kinda. God dang. I want to take this bike down those stairs so bad, but I know the suspension would bottom out. I still think I am going to do the suspension upgrade. I'm pretty sure. Stone did his, and I did see an actual, like a big difference. So I think we are going to be doing that. Now, these roads are quite big, and nobody's ever on them, but there is a police station, like, right here. But, you know, we're going to hit it. Oh, should we use that thing as a ramp? That would kill me. Holy, don't pull out in front of me. Oh my gosh. Let's see how fast we can come to a stop. Ready? See, I'm telling you, man, the brakes are pretty good on this thing. They're pretty good. I am going to have to, like, change out my batteries. So I think I'm going to get on this sidewalk and change out my batteries. Classic GoPro. Battery's dying. All right. Fresh battery change. We are good to go. And the bike is sitting at 63. Oh, is that a scratch? Gosh darn it. You guys probably can't see. That's a big scratch. The bike is sitting at 65.3 volts. So basically, we are still chilling for quite a while. Not when I was just sitting here changing batteries. About 3 cops went by that way. So they could either be going to the police station or there's, you know, something going on down there. But of course they didn't say anything, and they won't. But I just kind of have to be mindful of my speed. I gotta kind of keep, you know, eyes in the back of my head. That's kind of what I said that for. Still in mode 5. Yep, we're still in mode 5. All right. Oh yeah, she's in mode 5. Look at these big ass roads though. Look at this. Oh yeah, baby, that is fun. Yeah, we're coming up on the police station. Yeah, there they are. Hello, gentlemen. I have to lean so far forward to not have this front tire go. We're about to cook right here. Don't do it, Mitsubishi. I cannot slow down. Holy dude. Oh my gosh. Big turn. Ow. Oh my god. Everybody needs to own one of these. Everybody needs to own one of these. Ah, that's not a joke. Holy. I mean, the torque is just crazy. Let's see. We're going to slow down. Let's see. 22 miles an hour. That is crazy. I kind of wanted to take a new way to my house, but it pretty much... Oh god, that is a steep turn. Oh my god, that kind of comes out of nowhere. Hello? Wow. We got a full speed. Duh. Come on, a big hill. Big hill downhill, gotta go full speed. Go. Before the turn. 50, 52. I gotta slow down. The turn is literally right here. All right. So we had, we had to swap out the GoPro battery again. Of course we did. God dang it. I wish I had a DJI or something, but it is what it is. So the bike is currently sitting at 61.8 volts. How long have we been out riding? So we have actually been out riding now for just about exactly an hour, which is crazy. I have not left mode 5 once. Now, I'm going to continue to ride because this is too much fun. And hello, I got to enjoy this day. The sun goes down at freaking 4 o'clock, so I have to enjoy the day before it starts to get chilly. Oh yeah, boys, we're off. You know what I kind of like about this seat though? The way this drawstring backpack sits on this seat, like it literally sits in the seat. So it takes like all the pressure off of my back, which is so nice. It feels so good. Well, the battery's starting to show red, but that's all right. That's not gonna stop us from having fun. I almost just lost it in that pile of rocks right there. Guys, you gotta be so careful in turns. Oh, actually, hang on a second. My local, like, park and skate park, they have it shut down for, like, remodeling. And I'm wondering if I could sneak this thing in there. Okay, here we go. See, look, construction site, no trespassing. What are they doing? Should we see if this map shows us? Visit Guiding Golden at guidinggolden.com/Ulysses Park for project schedule, closures, and amenity opening updates. Oh, they're expanding the parking up there too, I think. Over on that side, there used to be like only a sidewalk, but it looks like they're adding some parking. Because right now it's basically all baseball diamonds. So they still are keeping the 3 baseball diamonds. Well, no, that looks pretty similar. If that's where we are, which we are, that's the dog park. Baseball diamond, baseball diamond, baseball diamond. So it looks like they're adding a new playground and maybe extra parking. I might have to look at that a little bit better. I don't know why it's like reflective and it's like the quality is like 180p for some reason, but you know, we might have to take a look at that. Dude, this front wheel loves to dance, dude. Should we take a little ride in the cemetery? Yeah, we're going to. Let's go on a mellow ride through the cemetery. Cemeteries are those real? Oh yeah, okay, those are real. Oh, okay. Cemeteries freak a lot of people out, but I really think cemeteries are like one of the like most calming places you could go. Like to just ride through or walk through. I think they're really peaceful. It's kind of weird just to think like one day, you know, we will end up here. Oh, somebody got a kite stuck in a tree. Were they flying a kite in the cemetery? Gosh, that is a steep hill. I wonder if you guys heard the tire break loose a couple of times. Do you think they were flying the kite in the cemetery, or do you think it was just it landed there? Dang, I haven't flown a kite in a long time. That is such a pretty view. Wow, it's so quiet. Uh-oh. Oh, oops, I did not mean to stop right where somebody... That is fresh. Okay, I did not mean to stop there. Sorry, don't mean to disturb you. Wow, there are geese everywhere. Look at all of them. Do I do a good goose? I love goose. No, I don't. They're mean. What the hell am I talking about? Oh my goodness. I did not see the top of those headstones. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Okay, dude, oh my god, okay, I did not see that. I swear on everything, I swear on my life, I did not see that headstone, those headstones. The exit is right here. Oh my goodness. Now listen, I know if you dig deep in history, I know that is a sign of like love and positivity. I think I love your headstone. Oh my gosh, that is a cool headstone. Dude, the Broncos flag with the Broncos etched into it, that is rad. I love that. All right, boys, I know this is kind of random, but this piece of actual junk, garbage, garbo McTrash, piece of crap lost the rest of the footage. So there wasn't much footage after this. Luckily, I just rode around for a little bit longer and went home from what I remember. So don't buy this camera, but I'm gonna have to do an outro this way since this piece of garbage lost it. So you boys already know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. Make sure to use your GoPros as toilet paper, and I will see you in the next one. Later.